Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wanderlust Ria. So this is all about lifestyle and travel and food vlogs. So if you are very new, do subscribe to my channel and let's begin today with the fruit custard recipe. So this is a very amazing dessert recipe. So here I take 1 liter of milk. मैं 1 liter milk add कर रही हूँ इसमें और we'll just keep it for a boil. और इसको हम मीडियम टेम्परेचर में रखेंगे इन अ गैस एंड देन विल जस्ट मेक द प्रिपरेशन फॉर custard. So for the custard I just take 2.5 tablespoon of custard powder, and to that I will be adding cold milk, or you can say it's like normal temperatured milk, not a boiled one, and we'll just mix it little by little and we'll see the consistency. If we are okay with the consistency, then we'll go with the same type. Okay, so here I see my lumps are not formed in the custard, and as you see the lumps are not formed, so other means I'll just add other milks also to it, and I'll just stir it well and I'll wait for the milk to simmer. So let it simmer and let it get boiled once, and then we'll add the custard powder to it. So here I'm just stirring the milk and I'll allow it to boil. So this is the right time to add the custard mix what I have already prepared, and I have just added to it. So I'll just stir the milk continuously so that there are no lumps formed in the milk, and I'll thicken the milk little bit because fruit custard needs little thickness. So here I am adding 4 tablespoons of sugar. So you can add sugar according to your taste, according to your taste buds, because I prefer little less sugar because I'll be adding fruits to it. So fruits के वजह से already वो मीठा रहेगा, so I am just adding little bit of sugar to it. So accordingly you can add sugar. So I'll just keep stirring it well because I have added the sugar to it. I have added the custard powder so that the milk and custard and sugar thickens well. I have just switched off my gas, and now I'll just allow the custard mix to cool down for some time, and once it's little bit of means it cools down, then I'll add this to a bowl, and I am still stirring it so that it cools down perfectly so that I can make the custard. So here after stirring it well, my custard had come down to a very normal temperature, and right now what I'll be doing is I'll be shifting it to the bowl. So I have taken a big bowl here so that I can shift the custard mix to it, and after that I'll be adding one by one fruits to it. So let's see how it goes. So I have shifted the custard mix to the bowl, and for fruits what I have taken is I have taken one banana, 1 apple. I have taken handful of almonds, handful of cashews, and 1 pear. So I'll be adding to it. So you can take according to your choice, and I have taken a small bowl of pomegranate seeds to it. So according to your taste, according to your choice, you can add fruits to it. So it's not necessary whatever I have taken, you need to add those. So, and you can just add on, or you can skip any of these, or you can add on any of the other fruits too. So it's absolutely your choice. So I have added apples to it, I have added bananas to it, I have added pear to it. Now I'll be adding this cashews and almonds to it. After adding these, I'll be adding the pomegranate seeds to it, so which I have already kept in a small bowl. So my all fruits are done. So I'll just take handful of pomegranate seeds to it and I'll add to the bowl. So voila, here my custard is ready, and it really looks amazing here. So it really tastes amazing. So the next process would be I'll just keep it for a refrigeration for around 4 to 5 hours, and then I'll get it out. So let's wait for some time. Here goes my fruit custard, and it's absolutely ready after it's totally chilled from the fridge. So you can keep it in a normal refrigeration, or you can just keep it in a chilling tray, And now it comes with the serving. So I have just taken a small bowls and I am just adding 4 to 5 spoons of ladle of custard to it. And now what I'll be doing is I'll just do the garnishing part. So I'm just adding a little bit of pomegranate seeds to it, and it's all up to you how you garnish. I am just adding a little bit of cashews to it. So after adding cashews to it, I have a little bit of saffron, so I'm just adding saffron to it. So it's all by your choice. So if you don't want to, you shouldn't do it, because already we have added fruits, handful of cashews, everything to it, so it's totally ready to eat. So it's all up to you that how you garnish it. So yes, I am done with it, and here goes my fruit custard, or a dessert recipe, which is very healthy and you can just go ahead with it. So this is really amazing. Do try at home and please leave a comment below. Up guys, if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel and do like and share and click on the bell icon for more videos. So thank you.